All right, I am making potato salad, 3 different kinds. This one's going to be regular. Secret ingredient, bacon grease. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so the bacon grease goes in. I got a little too much there. So first thing I'm gonna do is get my bacon grease just kind of evenly distributed. Okay, so I'm gonna add my carrots and my celery, and I've got my mayonnaise. Now when you're doing really, really big ones, what you can do is mix your onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Ooh, oh dear, that's really gonna be garlicky. Did not mean to do that. You can mix all of those together first and then spread it around if you want, but I didn't do that. Okay, so then I'm just gonna mix all this on the top. Should have gotten a bigger bowl. All right, now I've got my massive bowl. Okay, now I'm mixing this up the day ahead, and I'm leaving out just a little bit of the mayonnaise to re-moisten it after it sits in the fridge tomorrow, or tonight for tomorrow. Okay. Oh my. Oh, that is delicious. A little bit of salt, a little bit more garlic. There we go. There's the first one, regular potato salad. All right, this next one is loaded baked potato. So I've got my bacon grease again, because a lot of times people use bacon on their baked potatoes, so it doesn't take as much. Okay, so for this one, get that bacon grease all around. Now I am adding my seasoned salt here and my bacon bits and my sour cream and my cheese and my onion. Taste test, see if it needs more salt. Holy cow, that is good. I mean, why wouldn't it be good, of course, but wow. That is delicious. Okay, put this in the fridge, let it sit overnight. Then I will add just a little bit more sour cream in the morning. Oh, yum. All right, this next one is jalapeno popper. Okay, now first thing I'm gonna do is break up my cream cheese. Start melting. All right, my bacon grease, which I'm almost out of here. And my red onion. Oh, yum. Bacon bits. Leave out the packet. So funny, so funny. Jalapenos, and I'm gonna let this sit for just a minute while my cream cheese finishes softening up. Should have it at room temperature, but of course I'm never prepared. Then I'm gonna add my mayo and my sour cream, but I don't want to cool this off until my cream cheese has melted. Gonna keep the heat in while I take a momentary break, and I'll be right back. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, I'm going to add my sour cream and the cheese and some mayo. Add the rest of my potatoes. Of course, I don't measure If I need to, I can just cook up. I'm actually cooking up more potatoes for us potato salad, so I may go ahead and cook up, I don't know, 6 or 8 more, 5 or 6 more potatoes. Okay, so let me taste. Oh, that is delicious. Jalapeno popper potato salad is delicious. All right, I'm gonna make up a few more potatoes to add to this. Oh, I forgot the salt. I'm like, something's missing. What is missing? A little bit of salt, garlic powder. Okay, I got my potatoes boiled here. Since I'm just guesstimating. And I'm gonna add just a few more jalapenos too. Okay, let's give it a taste test here. Oh, that is a keeper. Oh my goodness, that is delicious.